In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps and go to the settings then. Now find and pick apps, tap on more icon and select special app access. And here you will notice install unknown apps, so smoothly mark it, and here you can give permission to whichever source you would like to give it to. So let me pick for example messages, and by tapping on allow from the source you can smoothly allow installation via messages. You can do it for whichever app you want, smoothly mark the switcher, and that's it. So just by tapping allow from the source you are enabling the installation via this particular app. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.